Hello, my name is Abdelatif Kechiche, and welcome to the Ciné Lumière Mosaic Festival.
Welcome to this masterclass with Abdelatif Kechiche, who I'm sure you are aware is one of the most exciting filmmakers in France today. I'd also like you to welcome Paul Ryan, who many of you will be familiar of from screenings at the French Institute, and Paul has kindly agreed to interpret for us tonight. The programme is we're going to look at, over the course of the next hour, extracts from each of the 4 feature films that Abdelatif has made and discuss the work that's gone into making them and so on. I'm sure you're aware that these films have been immensely, 2 of his films in particular have been immensely successful, sweeping the boards of the French César, the equivalent of the Oscars in France.
L'Institut français ici, c'est un lieu où j'aime bien venir, c'est la 3e, voire 4e fois en tout cas où je viens à Londres. Et je me dis qu'il va peut-être se passer quelque chose et peut-être que je vais moi-même apprendre quelque chose.
Voilà. London is very important to him. He loves this place. It's maybe about the 4th time he's been here. So in accepting this invitation, he's hoping also, once again, he will learn something.
We're going to see the end sequence of La Faute à Voltaire, Blame It on Voltaire. I included the scene of the coming home after the party precisely to show your use of a playfulness in the acting.
Attends, j'ai l'aide, tu le tiens.
Vas-y.
Sécher la tête.
Avec ce film, en tout cas La Faute à Voltaire, j'ai commencé à mettre, disons, un pilier important dans ce qui allait devenir mon approche du travail au cinéma. Et je crois que ces acteurs, qui étaient tous des acteurs qui avaient un long bagage derrière eux, m'ont permis de poser, comme je disais, ce qu'allait être mon approche du travail.
All of the actors were very keen to go along with what Abdel wanted from them. They played the game very much, and what he had expected, what he had wished to have in those scenes, they were able to bring to the scenes. So they each bring something to the film and do it without any kind of inhibition, and therefore there is that kind of working together with the actors.
Did you deliberately set out to rewrite the Bonnieux film?
En fait, L'Esquive était mon second film, mais il a été écrit avant La Faute à Voltaire. Il avait été écrit même 10 ans auparavant, et donc bien avant qu'il y ait eu des films sur la banlieue. J'avais très envie de faire un film sur un milieu social, disons, que je connaissais, puisque moi-même j'ai grandi et j'ai évolué dans une banlieue d'une grande ville.
L'Esquive was written, although it was the second film and made after Blame It on Voltaire, it was actually written around about 10 years before the Blame It on Voltaire. So the idea of it being a revision, if you like, of the Bonnieux film doesn't really quite apply, because those films hadn't yet arrived when the script was written. But it's true that Abdel wanted to address a social situation that he knew well. He grew up himself in the suburb of a large city.
Et tu vas assister à la répétition, Clément?
Ouais.
Ouais, je vais voir. Vite fait.
Ah mais franchement, t'aurais pu prévenir quand même.
Je n'essayais pas de les amener à ce que moi je voulais faire et ce que je voulais filmer et la façon dont je voyais, dont je voyais la scène, dont je voyais le cadre, mais de travailler avec les cadreurs de façon à saisir au mieux les expressions, les visages, les émotions. Je n'avais pas envie de les plier à la façon dont on faisait du cinéma, mais plutôt moi de me plier à eux.
Abdel saying is something which began with Blame It on Voltaire for him. Was not wishing to draw the actors into performing into the film that he wished to make, but actually when the film is being made, actually following the actors, seizing on the expression which is the most vital, the most expressive of their moments as performers.
Ah, c'est toi ou je vais me fâcher?
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Bonjour papa. Elle m'a pas demandé le pot encore une fois, alors
Ça va?
c'est reparti. Ça va? Tu vas bien?
Petite.
Non, 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 non. Comment ça, je la laisse? Elle sait très bien.
Bonjour chérie.
C'est difficile de l'expliquer, mais j'aime quand il y a de la vie dans un film, et c'est peut-être toujours cet amour des acteurs hein, qui fait que voilà. Et de ne pas juste illustrer, mais de faire vivre, c'est quelque chose qui m'exalte.
You're getting this evolution of a scene, you're getting the evolution of the relationship between actors, and it ceases to be acting, so to speak, and actually just becomes life, and whether it's in an historical context as we were in, or very significantly in this context.
We're going to move on to Venus Noire, Black Venus now, and see an extract from that film. Of course, in this film, you're moving from the contemporary to the past, and it would be interesting to know what challenges that posed in producing this sense of reality.
Le tribunal jugé de la protubérance de ses fesses. Est-ce que vos fesses enfants tout petits?
Many thanks then to Abdelatif Kechiche.
Would you please welcome the director, Abdelatif Kechiche.
Good evening.
Good evening, Abdel. So this story, the story of the Black Venus, the Hottentot Venus as she was pejoratively called, this has obsessed you for a long time. This has been a very important story for you.
Je suis tombé devant une histoire qui m'a bouleversé et un personnage de notre histoire qui m'a procuré une émotion au fur et à mesure que je prenais connaissance avec son histoire très intense. Et j'ai ressenti le besoin de raconter cette histoire.
What he discovered absolutely knocked him sideways. He was astonished by this young woman, part of our history, and he felt instantly that he had to gradually, as he grew more and more involved in the story, he realized this was a story he had to tell. I would say enjoy the movie. I hope more that you appreciate the movie and you appreciate Abdel's intentions in making the film, and it not yet got distribution in this country. I hope it will get. I hope you can spread the word about it, because it's a film that really deserves to be seen far more. And until next year, when he presents me in a swimsuit, would you please thank Abdelatif Kechiche.